this might just be the best compact drone ever made. The DJI Mini 5 Pro brings next-level 4K, 60 frames per second video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and insane flight performance, all in a drone that fits in your hand. But is it really worth the hype? Today, we're putting the Mini 5 Pro to the test: real-world flights, camera quality, release date, battery life, and everything you need to know before buying. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone content. Now, let's take to the skies. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the latest addition to DJI's Mini series, bringing professional-grade features to a lightweight and portable form factor. With improved flight performance, enhanced camera capabilities, and intelligent safety features, this drone aims to be the ultimate choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. The DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains the familiar compact and foldable design of its predecessors, making it easy to carry anywhere. Weighing under 249 g, it remains within the weight limit that exempts it from certain drone regulations in many countries. The build quality is solid, with a sleek, aerodynamic frame that feels durable despite its lightweight construction. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 4 Pro captures stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video and 48MP photos. The improved dynamic range ensures better color accuracy and detail in both bright and low light conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of D-Log M and 10-bit color depth provides more flexibility for professional color grading. With improved OcuSync 4.0 transmission, the Mini 5 Pro offers a maximum range of up to 20 kilometers, ensuring a strong and stable connection even in areas with signal interference. The enhanced wind resistance allows for stable flights even in moderate wind conditions, making it a reliable choice for outdoor filming. The Mini 5 Pro is packed with smart features like Active Track 360 degrees, waypoints, master shots, and quick shots, making it easier to capture professional-level footage with minimal effort. The updated Active Track 360 degrees provides smoother subject tracking, perfect for filming dynamic action shots. One of the biggest upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. Unlike its predecessor, which had limited sensors, this model includes forward, backward, lateral, and downward sensors. This provides better obstacle detection and avoidance, making flights much safer, especially in complex environments. The drone comes with two battery options: the standard Intelligent Flight Battery, which offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, and the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which extends it to 45 minutes. Note that the Plus battery increases the drone's weight above 249 g. The new fast charging capabilities also reduce downtime between flights. The Mini 5 Pro is compatible with both the DJI RC2 and RCN2 controllers. The DJI RC2, featuring a built-in display, enhances the flying experience by eliminating the need for a smartphone. The redesigned DJI Fly app remains user-friendly, providing intuitive controls and real-time telemetry for a smooth flying experience. As of April 2025, DJI has not officially announced the release date for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. However, various leaks and reports suggest that it may be launched in summer 2025, possibly around June or July. Some sources indicate a potential release in late 2025. There are many reasons to love this drone. It boasts excellent 4K per 60 frames per second video quality, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced tracking features while maintaining its lightweight and portable design. However, the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus increases the weight above 249 g, and it comes at a slightly higher price compared to its predecessor. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice for content creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly drone or an experienced pilot wanting pro-level features in a compact form, the Mini 5 Pro delivers an impressive balance of performance, safety, and portability. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the DJI Mini 5 Pro helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite DJI drone or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.